A 28-year-old Oklahoma father says he suffered a major stroke after popping his neck. Josh Hay told KOCO that the moment he heard the pop, everything on his left side started to go numb. He says he got up and tried to get an ice pack from the fridge and couldn't walk straight. His father-in-law rushed into the emergency room and an x-ray showed he had a torn vertebral artery, a crucial vessel leading to the brain. A doctor at Mercy Hospital, Logan County, says the stroke could have killed Hayter. He survived but had vision problems for a few days and still struggles with his left leg. Matt Yurus, CBS Local News.